Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter the hidden service menu on your SONY KD-43X TV. So in order to enter the secret service menu using this remote control, you're gonna have to turn your TV off first by pressing the power button, and then press the combination of home button, central D-pad button or OK button, then volume up and power. Once again, home, central D-pad, volume up, power, and wait until your TV is turned on. Let's try again. Home, central, volume up, power. And once your TV turns on, you will see the starting service mode notification on your screen. And here is the service mode itself. Now you can navigate in it using up and down arrow keys on your D-pad, OK to select, return to go back, or home to exit this menu. Now if you have the replacement remote with keypad on it, then you can use a different combination of keys, but of course, you're gonna have to turn off your TV first, and then press Info button, then 5 button, then volume up or down. I think both will work, and then power button. So Info, which is also called the display button, Info 5, volume up, power. And this will start the service mode once again. And you can navigate in it in the very same way. So let's press home button to exit this menu. Be careful while using this mode, as some settings may actually break your TV, and you're gonna have to find maybe a very tricky way to hard reset it, or even send it to the service for repair if you do something wrong in there. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.